Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So my name is Jacob. This is going to be another video, another honest review video that I'm going to go ahead and be doing. So if you guys are staying tuned to the channel, if you guys have noticed, every Monday I'm trying to do some sort of project video or some kind of vlog style video. And on Fridays I'm trying to stick with honest review videos. This is a new thing I'm kind of doing. And I really like reviewing products overall. So this one is going to go ahead and be two products of the Vvash products. And this one we have a waterless wash right here, as well as a superior shine. Now if you guys have been staying tuned to these builds, they're sitting here out here towards the country, so it's a lot of dirt getting flown up and landing on the cars. And it's not anything like sticking to the paint or anything like that, it's just a lot of dirt and dust. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity to try out these two products, and they're actually hooking me up. They hooked me up with a nice little discount, as well as they're hooking you guys up with a nice little discount. Save yourself 15% off in the link in the description while using the code Jacobs. So to kick this video off, we're gonna go ahead and hit this 2017 Mustang GT behind me. That's pretty messed up, but the paint is still good on it overall. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to keep it nice and clean with this product. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the bottles and how they come. Now we have the nozzles right here. They come separate, so we're gonna go ahead and put the nozzles in here and we're gonna go ahead and be touching up the top of the roof. There's some spots that are a little more dirtier, but again, I don't want to risk it. Again, this is my first time using this product, and again, I want to be honest as possible with you guys. So if it's messing up my car, obviously I'm going to tell you guys so you guys don't mess up your guys' car. But hopefully it's a good review for you guys and me, and hopefully we can get this Mustang looking nice and clean again. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the nozzles in real quick. We have the waterless wash first. It seems like they're a little bit bigger. I'm assuming it's just so they can bend at the end, so you can get every little bit by just turning it sideways, to like angling it a little bit. So that's one bottle down. There you go. And overall, I'm really hoping that this product works out for me as well as works out for you guys. So we're gonna be hitting up this little section right here. I'm not gonna tape it off or anything like that, but it's just gonna be a little spot right here. That way we can do a little bit side by side. I'm gonna go ahead and follow the directions perfectly to a T. That way we can make sure we give them the best chance of giving the honest review that we can with this new product. So here we have: shake well before each use. Start on the upper surfaces first. Mist the surface. Use a clean Vvash Auto Care microfiber towel, which again, I did pick one up. I did pick a set of 4, so hopefully it works out. They do feel really nice compared to other microfibers that I've dealt with. And we have here, gently wipe in back and forth until the area is clean. Then we have fold the microfiber towel to clean the side and buff any remaining residue. So basically using the other side of the microfiber to go ahead and just clean up the aftermath. We're just trying to hit a little bit right here in this little section. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just look. Right now I'm just looking for any like major scratches or anything like that that it could cause. Okay, so here we have it. This is the little section that we did do, and this is the section that we didn't do. So you guys can actually go ahead and see the huge difference. And honestly, I'm not seeing any major scratches, and I'm not, obviously it's not like a huge, I wanna say huge detail or anything like that. It's just cleaning off the surface. Again, this is just a lot of dust and dirt, as you guys can actually see the layers of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe a little bit one more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit with a superior shine afterwards. Okay, so as you guys can actually see, honestly, it looks really good. I'm actually pretty shocked. I didn't really believe in waterless washes before this, and I'm not gonna lie, it's really changed my mindset about these. But again, if you guys wanna go ahead and try it out for yourself, save yourself 15% off by using the code in my description and link in description. So now we're gonna go ahead and try the superior shine and see if it can actually give it a nice little shine after we just cleaned it with the waterless wash. Okay, so directions again. We have shake well before each use. Make sure the car surface is dry before applying. Spray superior shine 6 to 12 inches away from vehicle. Apply one section at a time. Use the clean Vvash Auto Care microfiber towel to evenly spread the superior shine. Use a new clean microfiber towel to make sure all superior shine is gone. So we have another microfiber towel here that we're going to be using for this part, as well as I have another microfiber towel to go ahead and wipe it off as it said. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and shake it and do a little squirts right here. Just backing up a little bit, the 12 inches that it asked for. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put it nice in there. And already it smells very good. That's one thing I really like about this product as well as the other one. It smelled really good. Okay, so here we have it. This is the final touch to it. It looks really good. I'm actually really surprised on how the waterless wash performed as well as the superior shine. Again, I've never really been a fan. I've always honestly been really scared of using waterless wash products on any, not even just this company. Again, this is a brand new company that I'm trying, but just in general, I've always been really scared about it scratching up the paint really bad, but I'm actually really shocked right now on how good this looks. So again, this is how it's all dirty everywhere else basically. This is the only spot I actually did. So there you have it. Noticeably difference obviously. But I'm gonna go ahead and say yes, try their products out. Save yourself 15% off if you want. This isn't a sponsored video again, so go ahead and try it out if you guys want. If you guys don't, then don't. I don't care. It's just me showing you guys that I actually do trust this product now. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually use these to clean up the whole entire car. This car right here, probably not recommended, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it because it worked in that little spot, so why not? As well as this other one over here because they're just covered in dust, and you know what, I hate that. I hate seeing these cars covered in dust like crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and clean them up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my own time and not bore you guys with all that, but just in general, I will be using their products because I do trust them. If you guys want to try it, go ahead and try it. Save your guys yourself 15% off your entire purchase if you would like. If you don't, then don't, but I really recommend them. And again, this video is not sponsored. They're not paying me to do this. This is just me liking their product because I tried it out and I think you guys should too. So if you're not gonna buy anything, go ahead and feel free just to check out their website anyways, because they do offer a lot of different things, and I was actually really surprised at all the stuff they offer. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and be using their products from now on. I am not gonna go away from just Chemical Guys altogether because they do have some products that they don't have yet. But you know what, I'll go ahead and keep growing on their side as well as keep myself, and dude, it got dark. All right, so there you go, much better. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to this video right here. I'm gonna go ahead and be taking a lot of this apart right now. I need to take the fender off. I'm gonna go ahead and take these wheels off on both sides. And if you guys wanna go ahead and check those videos out, feel free to do that. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.